Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I have my Leither box for October 2022, and of course it's the jellyfish collection. So let's take a look at it and what we got. First, let me show you the inspiration card, and there it is. Actually, that's very pretty. I see like pinks, grays. I think that's beautiful. So I saw that and I thought, wow, the yarn's going to be gorgeous. It really does. So here are the stitch markers that we got. And there they are. Let's see if we can get them to come in. It is a jellyfish and a purple stone. That jellyfish does not want to turn around properly. And we get that jellyfish up there. The jellyfish is like way cool. So there we go. And next, we have the yarn. And here is the yarn. It is fingering weight, so it is jellyfish sock, 100% superwash merino, 400 yards. It is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. It is gorgeous. I really like that. It's really pretty. But I have to be honest, it doesn't match the card. Doesn't match the inspiration card. I saw this, but I don't see the yarn in the card at all. So it's all right. I mean, you know, but that's really stunning yarn. So I like that. And of course, we get a hook with it. And here is the hook. And the hook is beautiful, but doesn't match the yarn or the card. And she says it's supposed to be like the water, but my water doesn't have green in it, so maybe that's just me. And this one is a 4.5, and it is a clover hook. But it is beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. It truly is. I'm trying to get it to focus on the hook, not on me. But it is a beautiful hook. It truly is. Love that. But none of the items match the card. Is what it is. So for this month, for October, we got the two skeins. We got the really beautiful hook. And we got the stitch markers. So that was really, really nice. It's really great. I love the colors. I think they're fantastic. Kind of wish they matched the card, but they don't. That's actually done in grays, a little black down in the corner, some pinks and stuff, but it's okay. It is beautiful. Love it. Absolutely love it. So I like it. I hope you guys like it too. And if you get Leither, tell me what you thought. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, stamp out bullying, and happy yarning. Bye now.